Have you ever considered starting your own cleaning business? With the right mindset, strategy, and dedication, it is possible to turn your dreams into a successful reality. In this video, we will guide you through the key steps to building a cleaning business from scratch. First, it is important to identify your niche. What type of cleaning do you want to specialize in? Do you want to focus on residential, commercial, or industrial cleaning? Once you have defined your target market, conduct thorough market research to identify customer needs and preferences, as well as competitors and pricing strategies. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan. This plan should outline your mission statement, marketing and advertising strategies, operational procedures, and financial projections. Don't forget to account for startup costs such as equipment and supplies, insurance, and legal fees. Assemble your team of employees or independent contractors who share your vision and work ethic. Provide them with proper training and support to ensure quality service and customer satisfaction. Create a strong online presence through social media, a website, and customer reviews. Use word of mouth and networking to build your client base. Don't underestimate the power of positive customer feedback and referrals. It is important to continuously assess your business performance and adjust your strategies accordingly. Set realistic short-term and long-term goals to stay motivated and focused. Keep track of your finances and consider investing in business coaching or mentoring to help you achieve your goals. Staying adaptable and flexible is key to surviving and thriving in the cleaning industry. With dedication and hard work, your cleaning business can grow and become a reliable source of income and a valuable asset. Remember, starting a cleaning business from scratch is not easy, but with a clear plan, dedication, and hard work, it can be incredibly rewarding. If you are passionate about cleaning and helping others, take the first step towards starting your own cleaning business today. Good luck!